Do you eat healthy food?
No, I don't. I only eat unhealthy food.
Why do you prefer to eat junk food?
Well, I prefer to eat junk food because it's more fun.
Do you know how to cook?
No, I don't know. How can I learn cooking?
You can watch some cooking recipes on YouTube.
I had tried to do this, but cooking is beyond my capacity.
How do you maintain your health?
I am too lazy to maintain my health.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is doing nothing.
Don't you think it's very difficult hobby?
Usually it's very relaxing, but sometimes it gets challenging.
How many friends do you have?
I don't have many friends.
How do you spend your free time?
I just love wasting time.
Do you ever regret wasting your precious time?
Yes, sometimes, but it is quite enjoyable.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is being unemployed and getting money for it.
Why do you think it's better than working?
Because it's less stressful.
Do you travel a lot?
No, I stay at home.
Don't you want to explore new places?
No, I just want to explore new places on Google Map.
Why don't you like to travel the world?
Because I don't have enough money.
Then why don't you do a job?
Because I have become addicted to stay at home and to do nothing.
How will you bear your expenses?
I have no idea.
How do you spend your money?
I just waste my money on useless things.
How good are you at English?
I am pretty good because it is my native language.
Will you share your tips to learn English with me?
No, I don't want to share my knowledge.
But it will increase your knowledge too.
No, I don't want to increase my knowledge.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is unicorn.
But it does not exist, does it?
Why not? It looks realistic in cartoons.
Who do you want to play with?
I want to play with Tom and Jerry.
How will they play with you? They are not realistic.
I want to break my TV screen and get them out.
What is your favorite place to live?
I want to live on Jupiter.
But it's impossible to live on Jupiter.
Yes, I know my dream will never come true.
Do you like to learn new things?
No, I don't like. I prefer to be ignorant.
What's so good about being ignorant?
The less you know, the easier is to live.
But don't you know this is the need of the hour?
I ignore all these things.
What is another way to say it?
Ignorance is a bliss.
You are not smart as you should be.
Yes, I am very dumb. I don't have to think too much.
How long do you take to think before speaking?
I don't think. I say whatever comes to my mind.
But someday it will cost you a lot.
I am ready for it because I have nothing to lose.
You don't seem to belong to this planet.
Actually, I was born on Mars.
You are too funny.
No, I am damn serious.
Do you like to help people?
No, I help myself because it is more rewarding.
Why do you think that?
Because people often don't appreciate what you do for them.
But it's good for self-satisfaction.
I don't get satisfaction from helping others.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is gray.
Why do you like gray?
I think it is very colorful.
Wait, gray is far from being colorful.
You don't have such eye to see it like that.